Hello everyone! Recipe for today is Korean oyster pancake or Gul-Jeon. First, wash and strain the oysters well. Cut the green onion leaves and red chili pepper. In a bowl, add the eggs, black pepper powder, salt, cut green onion and red chili. Mix it well. Put the Korean pancake mix and oysters in a plastic bag. Mix it. Make sure that the oysters are well flour coated. Dip the coated oysters into the egg mixture. In a heat pan, add the cooking oil and fry the both sides of the jeon until golden brown in a medium heat. For dipping sauce, I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and some sesame seeds. And it's done! Enjoy! Thank you for watching! Happy New Year to all!